Today is day 3 of construction. Got quite a few updates for you guys. It's a real sunny day, good view of the ocean today. Lots been done, so we'll go ahead and get started. There's the boss. They're working on the footings in the corners, the 4 corners of the house. So there is an example of a footing before it's poured. So they put rock. It's 1 meter square, and then there's rebar, and they will pour about 4 or 5 inches of cement and let that harden, and that'll be the corner of the house. So they are digging out the footings now to get them at the right depth. Again, the string line is grade. That's where the floor will be. And I'll give you another example of a footing. Here's another example. So that's ready to be poured. They'll do that this afternoon. The septic is completed. So that is what the septic will look like. It'll all be obviously backfilled with dirt. Sticking out of the ground, I believe, just a little bit, just the top. They will do a cement top with rebar, and then they'll vent it, of course. And then they even put in the 4-inch pipes, PVC. So that's the main line going in. The 2 septics will be there, or the 2 toilets rather, and overflow, and then all the sink water and showers will go there, and leach field out that way. So that was completed. The wall, they poured the footing yesterday, and now they're starting the hollow block wall. So this wall will be 10 feet tall when it's said and done. So the footing is there, and then the cement blocks on top of it, and then they're filling the cement blocks with concrete, and then there's rebar. Looks like about every 20 inches there's rebar going up that's inside the concrete hollow blocks. And the fence itself will be as high as a stick. So that's how high the fence will be. So it's real high, 10 foot tall. And it will basically go straight across the back of the property. So for security and privacy. So they're moving along pretty quick. Now once this is poured and dry, they will render it. So what they do is they put about 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch of sand concrete, so you will not see the cinder blocks. It'll be all smooth wall. So they'll smooth it out, and then they'll go ahead and prime it and paint it, so it'll be like a wall inside of a house. And that'll be all the way around the property. They'll smooth it out and render it, prime it, and paint it. So you will not see the cinder blocks. It'll be smooth concrete. So they're making progress. The front of the house will be solid glass. I think I mentioned that before. So because of the view, because of the ocean, we went with 8-foot high glass panels the whole length of the house. So here is the master bedroom. There'll be a sliding door here, and then panels on both sides of the slider, and then the main part of the house, and then the spare bedroom on the side. So the whole front of the house will be 8-foot high panels of glass. Then it'll be 1 or 2 rows of hollow block cement, and then another row of glass at the top, because the ceilings will be 12 foot. So we didn't want just solid concrete wall in the front of the house. So we went ahead and did more glass across the top. So 8-foot panels, and then it's like I think it's an 18-inch glass high. They'll go all the way across the front of the house. So we have a few choices for glass. So I'll give you guys a chance to take a look. There's clear, which we don't want. There's a green glass that we decided not to have. So here is choice number 1. Very dark. I don't know if that's going through the camera or not, but that's choice number 1. Choice number 2 is a bronze with a reflective coating on it. And again, I don't know if the camera is going through that glass or not. I'll have to find out when I do the playback. And here is choice number 3, which is again is a bronze with no reflective coating. So let me know what you guys think. And we'll have to make a decision here pretty soon because we have to order the glass. Talk to you guys later.